everyone! If you're into crypto trading and looking to automate your trades, you've come to the right place. Click the link in the description below to get your special discount on Coinrule. Now, let's dive in. So, what is Coinrule? Simply put, it's a trading bot designed to make your crypto trading life a whole lot easier. Think of it as your personal trading assistant that never sleeps, never eats, and never misses a trade. Well, unless you program it to take a nap. But why would you do that? Coinrule offers a ton of features that even a beginner can navigate. You don't need to be a coding genius to use it. The platform provides a variety of pre-built trading strategies that you can use right out of the box. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can customize your own strategies too. Cool, right? One of the standout features of Coinrule is its ease of use. The interface is super user-friendly with a drag-and-drop rule builder that lets you create trading strategies in just a few clicks. It's kinda like building a Lego set, but instead of a spaceship, you're building your financial future. No biggie, but wait, there's more! Coinrule supports a wide range of exchanges, including Binance, Kraken, Coinbase Pro, and many others. So whether you're a Bitcoin enthusiast or an altcoin explorer, Coinrule has got you covered. Now let's talk about security. Coinrule takes your security seriously. Your funds remain on your exchange account, and Coinrule only has API access to execute trades. That means your money is as safe as it can be in the Wild West of crypto trading. Yeehaw! Another cool feature is the demo mode. This allows you to test your strategies without risking any real money. It's like playing with Monopoly money, but way more fun. And who doesn't love a risk-free trial? And let's not forget about Coinrule's customer support. They offer 24/7 live chat support and a comprehensive knowledge base to help you out whenever you need it. Because let's be honest, we all have those 3 a.m. crypto crises. Or is that just me? In summary, Coinrule is like having a tireless trading buddy who's always got your back. It's user-friendly, supports multiple exchanges, and prioritizes your security. Plus, with the demo mode, you can practice till you're a pro. So, if you're looking to take your crypto trading game to the next level, Coinrule might just be the tool you need. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special discount. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, and may the crypto gods be ever in your favor. See you next time.